Right, we're being asked to transform some trigonometric graphs here. Now, I've got a couple to do. They've drawn me y equals sine x, okay, which is this red one here. I'm going to do this one in green. I'm going to do this one in blue. Now, you've got basically the 3 there means that it's going to get 3 times taller. So the amplitude, as you may know that word, all right, is going to be 3 times higher. So whereas the original graph goes up to 1 and down to -1, our new graph is going to go up to 3 and down to -3. Okay, now it does say plot the graph, so I'm actually just going to sketch it, but nothing else changes. So all that's happening is that we're going to get something like this. Right, I'm trying to talk whilst I do it, but there we go. Oh, that's pretty good. Right, so it just gets 3 times taller. Where it crosses the y-axis and x-axis isn't going to change. Okay, now the next one says y equals sine x -1. Now all that means is that everything is shifted down 1. Okay, so I'm going to start, I'm just literally going to mirror what's going on, but it's just going to be 1 lower. So we're going to get that, and we're going to keep going lower, and there you go. Alright, now there's one other type, and I've got an orange here, and I couldn't really fit it on, but if where we've got the amplitude, and this green one, I've got the amplitudes changed. If you got, say, y equals sine of 2x, okay, that's going to change what's known as the period of the graph. Now the period of the graph is how long it takes to complete one full cycle, as it were. So if I have y equals sine 2x, right, basically I'm going to do, everything's halved. So here we go, we're going to try and do this. It's going to go like that, then like that, then like that. Yeah, oh, I'm doing pretty well at the moment. It's not that easy to do this. Okay. So there we go. So it's going to look something like that. So there's literally 2 periods. It's going to have that same shape twice. Now remember, it's supposed to be a smooth curve, but hopefully you get the idea there that when it's the numbers at the front, basically it's going to change the height of the graph. When the numbers next to the angles, you know, next to the x, then it's going to change how many wavelengths there are within, or how many times the wavelength occurs between 0 and 360. When you got the number on its own added or subtracted to the sine x or cos x or whatever, that just moves it up and down, the whole curve up and down. It doesn't change what the curve looks like, it just changes where the position of the curve. Alright?